everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating, slightly terrifying thought experiment. Overnight, all artificial intelligence just disappeared. Poof, gone. Especially in the world of marketing. Research would go old school, but perhaps become more authentic. Focus groups, in-depth interviews, surveys, these methods. After the initial panic, we'd see a massive resurgence of human ingenuity and classic marketing principles. So, what would be in the new marketing toolkit? It would look a lot like the old one, but with a fresh urgency. Guerrilla marketing tactics, partnerships, and public relations would see a huge comeback as ways to get noticed without algorithmic help. Networking and direct outreach would be vital. Building relationships with publishers, influencers, brand building would return to its roots, focusing on authenticity and core values. Minds and end industry leaders would be essential for getting your message out. It might slow things down, sure, but it could also lead to more meaningful connections with consumers. It would level the playing field in some ways, too. Smaller businesses might find it easier to compete, be a disaster or a much-needed reset, a return to the craft of marketing or a crippling blow to efficiency.
Do you already extrude? Let me know what you think in the comments below.